Here are the top 12 countries' food in the world. Do you agree with this list? Let us know in the comments below. Number 12. Greece. Greek food is amazing. From the classic moussaka to the mouth-watering souvlaki, Greek cuisine is a Mediterranean delight. The secret is fresh ingredients and lots of olive oil. The food is not only tasty, but also very healthy. And don't forget about their desserts. Baklava and other sweets are made with nuts and honey. No. 11. China. Chinese food is known all over the world for its diverse flavors and textures. From the juicy dim sum to the crispy Peking duck, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the amazing variety of noodles and rice dishes. With so many options to choose from, it's no wonder why Chinese food is so popular. Number 10. India. Indian food is a true adventure for your taste buds. From the spicy vindaloo to the creamy butter chicken, each dish is a unique blend of flavors and aromas. And don't forget about their breads. Naan and roti are perfect for dipping into delicious curries. No. 9. Thailand. Thai food is a spicy and flavorful journey through Southeast Asia. From the classic pad thai to the rich green curry, each dish is a masterpiece of balance between sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. And let's not forget about their amazing street food. From mango sticky rice to fried insects, there's something for everyone. No. 8. Italy. Italian food is all about fresh ingredients and time-honored recipes. From the mouth-watering pizza to the creamy pasta dishes, Italian cuisine is a celebration of simple, wholesome goodness. And don't forget about their gelato. It's the perfect way to end a delicious Italian meal. Number 7. Japan. Japanese food is an exquisite blend of tradition and innovation. From the fresh sushi and sashimi to the savory ramen and tempura, each dish is a work of art. And don't forget about their tea ceremony. It's the perfect way to relax and enjoy the moment. No. 6. Mexico. Mexican food is a fiesta for your taste buds. From the sizzling fajitas to the flavorful tacos, each bite is a celebration of bold, vibrant flavors. And don't forget about their variety of hot sauces. They range from smoky chipotle to fruity habanero. No. 5. Spain. Spanish food is a delicious journey through the Mediterranean. From the mouth-watering paella to the tasty tapas, each dish is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. And don't forget about their desserts. From the creamy flan to the fruity gazpacho, there's something for everyone. No. For France. French food is the epitome of elegance and sophistication. From the classic coq au vin to the delectable pastries, each dish is a masterpiece of flavor and presentation. And don't forget about their wine. French wines are some of the best in the world. No. 3. Korea. Korean food is a spicy and savory adventure for your taste buds. From the classic bibimbap to the flavorful kimchi jjigae, each dish is a unique blend of textures and aromas. And don't forget about their side dishes. Kimchi, jalapeno peppers, garlic, and cabbage leaves add a burst of flavor to every meal. No. 2. Peru. Peruvian food is a delicious fusion of indigenous and international flavors. From the classic ceviche to the flavorful lomo saltado, each dish is a unique blend of textures and aromas. And don't forget about their desserts. From the creamy leche de tiger to the fruity picarones, there's something for everyone. No. 1. United States of America. American food is a melting pot of flavors from all over the world. From the classic cheeseburger to the flavorful gumbo, each dish is a unique blend of textures and aromas. And don't forget about their desserts. From the creamy apple pie to the fruity key lime pie, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.